And we're back with more of our Ask the Financial Expert segment this morning, and we have a caller on the line, Miss V. Miss V, what's your question?
Yes. The gas prices are going up, and if you are a shareholder or owner, shouldn't the one that hold these shares, be benefiting the profit? Because it seems like to me these different companies going up, but the shareholders not reaping the benefits. So is the company doing this just to push the price up so they can reap the benefit, because the shareholders are not?
Great question, and let me just make sure I understand. Basically, we're seeing gas prices go up, and the question is, oil companies, in particular, someone like Shell, why isn't the stock price in correlation? In reality, this year, oil prices, energy stocks have gone up tremendously. They're one of the few spots that year to date actually have a nice return. Now, a lot of people who own these energy stocks are long-term, where they're collecting the dividends, similar to like utility companies. And so it kind of goes back to what's short-term versus a long-term strategy. So in short-term, if they don't think, investors think this won't last, gas prices may peak and cool off, then you're not going to see a lot of movement in the stock market. However, they think it's going to be something more sustained, then you'll see a lot more bullish buys or people who are optimistic in buying those stocks. But again, whether or not you should sell that stock kind of depends, again, going back to what I said earlier, is what's the long-term strategy? What's the ultimate goal of owning these stocks? Is it to hold and collect an income off of it? Or is it something to just buy and sell on a short-term basis? And again, that just depends on what your goals are and who you're working with and how they advise you.